In this module, we're going to walk you through how to launch your funnel and get your first sales. Even if you're starting from scratch with no audience, no ad budget, and no marketing experience. This is the part where everything comes together. You've built your product, set up your storefront, created your funnel, and now it's time to go live. But launching doesn't mean going viral. Launching means getting your offer in front of your ideal customer, one click, one message, one post at a time. Here's a simple 3-step launch formula that works, even for total beginners. Step 1. Tell your story. People connect with stories more than products. Share why you created this offer, what problem it solves, and who it is for. You can do this through a short video, a social media post, or even a voice note on Instagram stories. Keep it real and relatable. Step 2. Showcase the transformation. Don't just talk about what's inside your product, talk about what it helps people achieve. This planner helped me organize my finances in 15 minutes a week. These journal prompts helped me feel more centered and clear-headed. Use simple before and after language that paints a picture in your customer's mind. Step 3. Share the link everywhere. Post it on your social media bio. Mention it in your TikToks or Reels. Share it with your personal network. Drop it in a Facebook group if it's allowed. You're not spamming, you're offering a solution. If you've got a funnel built with System.io, StanStore, or even your done-for-you WordPress website, everything is ready. Just focus on getting people to your opt-in page, the funnel will do the rest. And if you've grabbed products from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, you already have everything you need to launch fast. Lead magnets to giveaway sales pages to plug into your funnel. Canva mockups to share on socials, and tutorials to guide you every step of the way. You don't need a big list. You don't need ads. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and start. Every creator you admire started with zero. The difference? They launched. Your job isn't to be famous. Your job is to be consistent. And once your funnel is live, you can start running traffic to it, testing different angles, growing your list, and optimizing over time. In the next chapter, we'll go deeper into how to drive traffic, attract your ideal audience, and use smart marketing strategies, even if you don't have a following yet. Let's build momentum.